Three stem cuttings of rose plants were brought from a relative's house. They were the wild variety of rose because I was told that the ones generated by budding are difficult to propagate from stem cuttings. It was a long wait of 3 weeks for the first tiny shoot to appear on one plant. Of course, the camera autofocus is on the pot rather than on the tiny shoot in spite of repeated attempts to capture a better picture. This is one of the other stem cuttings which appear to have a tiny shoot appearing, but again it is not very clear. The third stem cutting here is yet to develop any fresh shoot. When the stem cuttings were brought, there was a doubt on how to plant them, which side up. Observing the pattern of the thorns in the only cutting with leaves, it was found that the thorns point downwards, so it gave a clue to the base part of the stem cutting. Now the first one has developed several leaves. Though mature leaves have green color, new immature leaves have nice pink-red color. The new rose plant has a splendid appearance with the backdrop of shiny white stones in the freshly painted garden pot. They say that the wild variety of roses grow better and can be used later to graft other exotic varieties onto them. Here is an update on our rose plants. Here is the first plant which has plenty of branches and leaves. It is the best one of the lot. Leaves are becoming more and more green from the original light rose color of the new leaves. Here is a still photograph of this magnificent plant in good sunlight. Shining white river stones in the pot add to the beauty. This is our second rose plant. It has only a few leaves and branches. Still, it is growing well. Leaves have pinkish tinge as they are yet to mature like the previous one. Third pot for rose plants is here. The stem without leaves, planted along with the others, is still to grow any leaves. Pulled out and checked for roots and found none. Replanted after freshening the base. Let us see whether it comes up. The stem with leaves is a branch of the first rose plant which has been cut and planted in this pot yesterday. It has to develop roots. The current leaves may fall off before that and new buds spring up later. Look out for the next update. Small video clips of the stages in growth and finally blooming of the first flower follows. Each clip has a self-explanatory caption. The first flower is rather small and light pink in color. The color darkens a bit as time passes after blooming. Other flowers on this variety had darker pink flowers in the location from which these stem cuttings were brought. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and post your valuable comment below this video.